Alright, here's another fallen soldier. What a mess. You know, I step away from a project for 4 years and come back and it's like, what happened? I guess 3 other technicians have worked in this park since me, but I say this is probably full of water, so hope it's not gross. Little buggies. Okay, first things first. I'm gonna unplug the Ethernet cables. They look like they're intact, thankfully. It looks like this is also full of earwigs. Ew. Now let's unplug the power. Unplug this. Now, one of the things I want to do is very, very carefully before I actually remove this is hopefully the transceiver is still intact. Looks like no water damage there. Pause. Alright, we're back on. It feels like all the water's down on the bottom, so I don't know how bad the damage is going to be, but let's just try to, well, there's a little bit of rust. So hopefully it's not too bad. I'm going to pause this. I'm just going to crack this open quickly and see how bad it is, and we'll come back. So hold on. Alright, it's a week later. It's late. I've got the screws out of this thing, so let's pop it open and see how bad the damage is. Alright, so you can see where the water line is on this, and if we look inside of here, you can see there's a skid mark down there where the magic smoke got out. You see that? There was a little poof, a little explosion. And if we line this up, it would match up with these components right here. So it looks like the water shorted these guys out to a point where, well, it looks like the water shorted out this. And I'm not sure what that chip is, but yeah, it's nothing now. Let's just put it that way. Let's zoom in. Yeah, so that chip went pop. Shorted everything out. All these little trannies here are shorted out. And then, of course, it looks like a set of diodes over here that just went nova. So that took out the top end. Yep, just a bit of water. Sitting in water will do that. So, is this worth repairing? No. Financially, no. Is it repairable? Maybe. Possibly. But for the amount of time and the components, it's cheaper just to buy another one. So in this case here, it's like just make sure your shit doesn't get wet. There you go.